So today I'll be showing you how to flip or how to mirror an image that's already in Google Docs, like this one, for instance. So what you need to do is select that image, right click on it and select copy. Now, after that, you can now put your cursor right below that image, and then now you can go to the insert menu and then drawing and then new. So this is where you have your new drawing. So from here, you can right click in an empty space and select paste, and that's going to paste your image there, right? So our image is here. And so from here, you can now click on actions, and then you have the options to rotate. So just go to rotate and then select flip either horizontally or vertically. So I'm going to select flip horizontally, and that's going to flip the image, and then now I'll click on save and close. Now we should have an image that's flipped. Okay, so you can see this is the original image and this is the other one. So that is basically how to flip an image that is already inside Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.